Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. The negative I will put on the left because we don't have the negative side in here. So this one we change for u cos and sine x dx we change for negative du. So if we want to put this one go to numerator, I will put the negative side on n minus number 2, and this one that is about 2 minus n. And now we have the final answer. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. U that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.